Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is the statistical concept of continuous uniform distribution. In this lecture, we are going to study the raw moments of continuous uniform distribution. Here in this lecture we will discuss the raw moments about origin. So let us start with the raw moments of continuous uniform distribution about origin. We know that the raw moments are denoted by mu r dash. Now let us start with the definition. If x follow continuous uniform distribution over the interval a to b, then the raw moment of continuous uniform distribution is defined as mu r dash is equal to expected value of x raised to r. Here we are going to discuss the raw moments about origin, and mu r dash is the nth number raw moment about origin. Then by definition of expectation, mu r dash is calculated as integration minus infinity to plus infinity x raised to r into fx dx, where fx is nothing but the PDF of random variable x. Here x follow uniform over the interval a to b, hence the range of x is from a to b. Therefore, the limits of integration changed from minus infinity to plus infinity as a to b. Integration a to b x raised to r, and the PDF is 1 divided by b minus a. As the term 1 by b minus a constant, take it outside the integration sign. 1 upon b minus a integration a to b x raised to r dx. Therefore, expected value of x raised to r, that is mu r dash, is equal to 1 by b minus a, and the integration of x raised to r is x raised to r plus 1 divided by r plus 1. Limits from a to b. Substitute the limits of integration, we get 1 upon b minus a. Put upper limit first, so it is b raised to r plus 1 minus a raised to r plus 1 divided by r plus 1. This is the value of nth raw moment about origin of the continuous uniform distribution, where r is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can substitute the value of r as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we shall get the first 4 raw moments about origin. So let us start with the first value of r. Put r equal to 1. To get first raw moment, mu 1 dash. Therefore mu 1 dash is equal to 1 by p minus a into b raised to 1 plus 1 minus a raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. And it becomes mu 1 dash equal to 1 upon b minus a into bracket b square minus a square divided by 2. Now factorize the numerator b square minus a square, and that is b minus a into b plus a divided by 2. This factor b minus a get cancelled, and the remaining term is b plus a divided by 2. Hence mu 1 dash, that is the first round moment about origin of the continuous uniform distribution, is b plus a by 2. For the second round moment, put r equal to 2 in the nth round moment mu r dash. Then we get mu 2 dash is equal to 1 by p minus a bracket b raised to 2 plus 1 minus a raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and which is which comes out to be 1 by b minus a, b cube minus a cube divided by 3. Now factorize the term b cube minus a cube. We will get mu 2 dash is equal to 1 by b minus a b minus a into b square plus ab plus a square divided by 3. This is the factorization of b cube minus a cube. B minus a and b minus a get cancelled, and mu 2 dash is b square plus ab plus a square divided by 3. This is the second raw moment about origin of continuous uniform distribution. Now let us calculate the third raw moment by putting r equal to 3 in the formula of earth raw moment mu r dash. So put r equal to 3, we get mu 3 dash is equal to b minus 1 by b minus a b raised to 3 plus 1 minus a raised to 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. After simplification, we will get 1 by b minus a into b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 divided by 4. Now factorize this b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. We will get 1 by b minus a. The factors are b square minus a square into b square plus a square divided by 4. Now further factorize this b square minus a square. Mu 3 dash is equal to 1 upon b minus a. The factors of b square minus a square is b minus a, b plus a, and b square plus a square divided by 4. This b minus a and b minus a get cancelled, and we will get the third raw moment about origin, mu 3 dash, as b plus a into b square plus a square divided by 4. This is the third raw moment of continuous uniform distribution about origin. Now we shall calculate the last fourth raw moment by putting r equal to 4 in the rth raw moment mu r dash. So put r equal to 4, we get mu 4 dash is equal to 1 upon b minus a, b raised to 4 plus 1 minus a raised to 4 plus 1 divided by 5, and it comes out to be 1 by b minus a into bracket b raised to 5 minus a raised to 5 divided by 5. Now factorize this b raised to 5 minus a raised to 5. After factorization b raised to 5 minus a raised to 5, we get 1 by b minus a into bracket b minus a, b raised to 4 plus a b cube plus a square b square plus a cube b plus a raised to 4 divided by 5. Here one point must be noted, that student must know the factorization formula of b raised to r minus a raised to r from r equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then and then only the students can simplify the raw moments of continuous uniform distribution. Hence, we get the fourth raw moment mu 4 dash as b raised to 4 plus ab cube plus a square b square plus a cube b plus a raised to 4 divided by 5. This is the fourth raw moment of continuous uniform distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we have learned what is the raw moments of continuous uniform distribution, about origin, its definition, and we have calculated all the first 4 raw moments formulae by using integration, since x is a continuous uniform distribution. In the previous lecture, we have already studied the various concepts of continuous uniform distribution. like definition, mean and variance of continuous uniform distribution, and some basic concepts of statistics are also studied in the different lectures. If students want to learn all that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lectures are also given in the description box. If students like this video, then click the like button, share with your friends to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. If students still not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for more videos in the upcoming days, and we will meet in the next lecture with the next concept of continuous uniform distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.